Certainly, the search query Best Affiliate Marketing Programs to Promote as an Affiliate Marketer indicates that users are looking for up-to-date information on the most lucrative affiliate programs across different niches. Let's break down what this search topic entails. 1. Latest information. Users are likely looking for the most recent and updated information on affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic industry with new programs being introduced and existing ones evolving. People want to stay informed about the current landscape to make informed decisions. 2. Lucrative affiliate programs. The term lucrative suggests that users are interested in programs that offer high commission rates, generous payouts, or other incentives. The focus is on finding programs that provide substantial financial rewards for affiliates. Certainly, let's delve deeper into the concept of lucrative affiliate programs and what makes them appealing to affiliate marketers. A. High commission rates. Lucrative affiliate programs often feature high commission rates. This means that affiliates earn a significant percentage of each sale they generate for the merchant. Programs with commission rates ranging from 20% to 50% or more tend to be attractive to affiliates seeking substantial financial rewards. B. Generous payouts. In addition to high commission rates, the payout structure is crucial. Some programs may offer prompt and regular payouts, ensuring that affiliates receive their earnings on time. Generosity in payout terms can contribute to the overall attractiveness of an affiliate program. C. Recurring commissions. Programs that provide recurring commissions offer affiliates the opportunity to earn commissions not just on the initial sale, but on subsequent renewals or subscription payments. This can lead to a more stable and predictable income stream for affiliates over time. ED. Performance bonuses. Lucrative programs may include performance bonuses as incentives for high-performing affiliates. Achieving specific sales targets or milestones could trigger additional bonuses, motivating affiliates to maximize their promotional efforts. E. High-value products or services. Affiliates often look for programs that promote high-value products or services. Selling high-ticket items or subscription services with a high lifetime value can contribute to more substantial earnings for affiliates, even if the commission percentage is moderate. F. Long cookie durations. The cookie duration refers to the time frame during which affiliates can earn commissions on a customer's purchase after the initial click. Programs with longer cookie durations provide affiliates with a more extended window to earn commissions, increasing the likelihood of earning from repeat purchases. G. Quality marketing resources. Lucrative affiliate programs often provide affiliates with high-quality marketing materials. This includes professionally designed banners, product images, email templates, and other resources that help affiliates effectively promote the products or services. H. Transparent tracking and reporting. Affiliates appreciate programs that offer transparent tracking and reporting systems. This allows them to monitor their performance, track conversions, and ensure that they are being fairly compensated for their efforts. I. Responsive affiliate support. Programs that offer responsive and supportive affiliate management or support teams are often more attractive. Affiliates may have questions, need assistance with promotional strategies, or require clarification on commission structures. Having a reliable support system in place can enhance the overall experience for affiliates. J. Low payment thresholds. Programs with low payment thresholds make it easier for affiliates to receive their earnings more frequently. Affiliates prefer programs that allow them to access their funds without having to wait for extended periods or meet high payment thresholds. Affiliate marketers looking for lucrative programs should carefully evaluate these factors to determine which programs align with their goals and preferences. It's essential to strike a balance between commission rates, product quality, and program reliability to maximize earnings and build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. Let's move further to what make an affiliate program a best affiliate marketing program to promote. 3. Across various niches. The inclusion of various niches suggests that users are not limiting their search to a specific industry. Instead, they are interested in affiliate programs spanning a wide range of niches such as technology, health and wellness, finance, lifestyle, and more. This allows them to explore opportunities in different markets. For affiliate program reviews, users may be looking for reviews or recommendations regarding the performance and reputation of different affiliate programs. Reviews can provide insights into the reliability of payments, the quality of promotional materials, and the overall satisfaction of affiliates. 5. Affiliate program comparison. Users may want to compare different affiliate programs to identify the one that best suits their needs. This could involve comparing commission structures, cookie durations, promotional resources, and other factors that impact an affiliate's success. Affiliate program comparison is a crucial step for affiliate marketers to ensure they choose programs that align with their goals and can maximize their earning potential. Here's a deeper look at the elements involved in comparing different affiliate programs. Commission structures. Affiliates should compare the commission rates offered by different programs. This involves assessing the percentage of the sale that the affiliate will earn as a commission. Higher commission rates are generally more attractive to affiliates. Cookie durations. The cookie duration is the time frame during which affiliates can earn commissions on a customer's purchase after the initial referral. Longer cookie durations provide affiliates with more opportunities to earn commissions, especially for products or services with longer sales cycles. Payout methods and frequency. Affiliates should consider the available payout methods, e.g. bank transfer, PayPal, check, and the frequency at which payments are made. Some affiliates prefer programs that offer more flexible payment options and faster payout cycles. Product or service quality. Assessing the quality of the products or services being promoted is crucial. Affiliates want to associate themselves with reputable brands or offerings to build trust with their audience. High-quality products can lead to better conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Reputation of the merchant. The reputation of the merchant or company behind the affiliate program matters. Affiliates should research the merchant's history, customer reviews, and overall market standing to ensure they are partnering with a reliable and trustworthy entity. Promotional resources. Evaluate the promotional resources provided by each affiliate program. This includes banners, images, text links, and other marketing materials. Programs that offer a variety of high-quality promotional resources can make it easier for affiliates to effectively market products or services. Conversion tracking and reporting tools. A robust tracking and reporting system is essential for affiliates to monitor their performance and analyze the effectiveness of their promotional efforts. Affiliates should compare the reporting tools and analytics provided by different programs. Affiliate support and communication. Consider the level of support and communication offered by the affiliate program. Responsive affiliate managers and clear communication channels can be valuable, especially when affiliates need assistance or have questions about the program. Exclusive promotions or discounts. Some programs may offer exclusive promotions, discounts, or special offers for affiliates to use in their marketing efforts. This can be a significant factor for affiliates looking to provide added value to their audience and increase conversion rates. Terms of service and restrictions. Carefully review the terms of service and any restrictions imposed by the affiliate program. Some programs may have limitations on certain promotional methods, target audiences, or geographic regions. Understanding these terms is crucial to avoid any conflicts. Community and networking opportunities. Affiliates may also consider the community and networking opportunities provided by the affiliate program. Some programs offer forums, webinars, or events where affiliates can connect, share experiences, and gain insights. By thoroughly comparing these factors, affiliate marketers can make informed decisions about the programs they choose to promote. It's essential to prioritize programs that align with the affiliate's niche, audience, and marketing strategies to build a successful and sustainable affiliate marketing business. 6. Affiliate marketing trends. The search may also be driven by a desire to identify affiliate programs that align with current industry trends. Programs that leverage emerging technologies, follow ethical marketing practices, and adapt to changing consumer behaviors are likely to be of interest. For those conducting such searches, it's advisable to check reputable affiliate marketing blogs, forums, and industry publications. These sources often provide insights into trending affiliate programs and share valuable information to help affiliates make informed decisions about where to invest their time and effort for maximum returns. Additionally, affiliate networks and directories can be useful resources for discovering a variety of affiliate programs across different niches. Hey there, Affiliate Mastery Hub fam. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to show some love. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video, and hit that free subscribe button to get notification when we upload new videos. And hey, to learn more or get free access to a free training course on becoming a super affiliate marketer, check out the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for being awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching our video on the best affiliate marketing programs to promote.